I would say the areas where it underdelivered was it never really helped me think about the broader context of what I wanted to do with my life and what I wanted to be set up to achieve afterwards.
I went into the specific program assuming that I would take a big network of students away with me, and unfortunately that was not the case.
One of the ways I think during my time colleges fell short was really not preparing students for the job market and really helping us understand how to navigate getting a job, what to do on the first job, and how to be successful in that.